So, this video will be teaching you how you can be making $50 daily with the use of Google Map, Google Places. So, this is a very straightforward approach. If you follow my instructions, my guidance very well, you won't have any issue, and it will result even more than the amount I indicated. So, without wasting much of your time, what we'll do is we'll head straight to Google and write Google Places. Write Google Places. So once you get here, the thing is, we have a lot of businesses out there which they are hoping and they're willing to really grow in their businesses. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down. Once we write Google Places, we'll scroll down. We'll now come here and click on more places. So once we click on more places, it will take us to where it will take us to where we will actually see a lot of businesses. So let's take for instance, we the main idea is we want to be reaching out to companies, businesses, and introduce and telling them that we can render a certain service for them. These services is doesn't really necessarily need we really necessarily don't need to be skilled in this in this service. We can decide to be an SEO specialist. We can decide to help them optimize their website, and we will not even have any idea about this. I will tell you how to sell such a deal, and I would be telling you how you can make money out of this, even when you are not skilled in what you are proposing to these companies. So here, let's take for instance, we want to say stores. We can just say stores. So stores near me. So once you write this, it will bring out stores around your region, around your location. So when these stores come out, the only thing you do is let's scroll down and say, let's say for instance, shop at discount, for instance, Akomojo Road. So we click on it. So once we click on it, let's wait for the network. The network is a bit slow. So once we actually click on it, their informations will come out on the screen. I mean, their email, their phone number, their address. So, okay, it has loaded. So you can see. So this is actually a company now or a store whereby we can just click on call and call them. And from here, we can also get their address. You can see their phone number, you can see their address. With this approach, it is going to be an express, and we can make a reasonable amount from this approach. So we'll be doing this. We're going to be you will try to get a note and write their contact. Once you write their contact, then the next thing you do is you reach out to them, tell them that you actually have an offer for them, that you could actually help their store sell better, sell more, if they allow you help them, assist them in SEO optimization, for instance. Or you can reach out to them and tell them that you are good at social media management. You can help them in managing their social media, and with this, you can earn reasonable amounts as high as $50 to $100 weekly or daily or monthly, depending on how you're hardworking and depending on your effort. So this is what you will do. This is the take. Once you get this deal, what you do is you head straight to Fiverr. You look for somebody. You look for a specialist who is good at what you are proposing. So let's say, for instance, you're looking for an SEO specialist. You go to Fiverr.com. So from Fiverr.com, you can search. You register an account there. You can search SEO specialist. So once you write SEO specialist, for instance, a lot of gigs, a lot of individuals will come out on your results, and from this you can actually choose who you want to work with, depending on the cost the amount the person is charging. And please, it is very important, before you charge your client, it is very important you should have negotiated with someone on Fiverr, so that you wouldn't run at loss while doing this. So let's take for instance, you can just pick any of these persons here, and please make sure you check their rating. check their sales, and to be sure, because there are scammers on this platform as well, to be sure that you're not falling in the hand of a scammer. So once you do this, you check their rating, you check the amount of sales they've made and the rest. So let's say you click on SEO specialist, you can see I will be your copyright and SEO specialist. Let's use this person. The person is charging $5. So you negotiate with this person. You can see by coming here, clicking on contact me, you can easily message this person and have a word with the person, discuss with the person. And if you're cool with what the person is offering, you go into the deal with the person. So once your client pays you, you come here, you pay the freelancer, and the freelancer will do the job for you, and you're making your cool cash. So let's take for instance, let's do a little arithmetic. So let's take for instance, you are charging a client at the rate of $25, and you're coming to Fiverr to pay a freelancer $5. You can see you still be left to $20, and this is something reasonable. If you should do this with a lot of persons, a lot of business owners, you can be making as high as $1,000 at the end of every month. So just calculate $20 multiplied by having up to maybe 20 clients in a month. That will be 400. That will be 400. $400. This could be at the end of the week, at the end of the day. So depending on how hardworking you are, this will really work. If you find this video very helpful, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next we drop videos like this. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.